Tired of fumbling for your wallet? Let's transform your iPhone into a secure and convenient payment method with Apple Pay in just a few simple steps. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the gray gear icon, and tap to open it. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. On the Wallet and Apple Pay screen, you will see a button labeled Add Card. Tap that. You'll be presented with options to add a debit or credit card. Choose debit or credit card. You can either manually enter your card details or use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. Align your card within the frame, and the details should automatically populate. After adding your card, your bank will need to verify the information. This might involve a text message, email, or a call. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your card is now active in Apple Pay. You'll see a confirmation screen. To use Apple Pay in stores, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. Face ID or Touch ID will prompt you to authenticate the transaction. For online purchases in apps or on websites, look for the Apple Pay button during checkout and follow the prompts. You can manage your cards, view transaction history, and adjust settings within the Wallet and Apple Pay section of your iPhone's settings. Apple Pay uses advanced encryption and security features, so your financial information is always protected. Now you are ready to check out with ease.